Here's a certified 2013 Chrysler 200. This 200 was designed, engineered, and built to compete with the best. That means you win. Features include AM/FM Sirius satellite radio, power windows, manual tilting steering column, multifunction steering wheel, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Cars.com reports in crash tests by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the 200 sedan earned the top score, good across all categories. Accordingly, the car is an IIHS top safety pick. Chrysler, where top flight engineering meets affordable luxury. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.